Okay, so for Thursday naman is yung ating Be a Purple Warrior now. Whenever we have a newly joined member, ask their permission if they are willing to get their picture taken, capture them posing while wearing or holding their key fob. So yon before, gumagamit tayo ng digital stacks, pero yun nga, para mas madali, hindi na kailangan mag-login pa, gumawa na lang din tayo ng Canva. So ito din yung previous template and ito yung bago. So again, nandito na din yung link nung worksheet. Basically, same lang naman to. Tapos, ayan. Ito yun. Ito yung Be a Purple Warrior for Thursday natin. So, ayan yung mga members ng mga clubs. Tapos yun, may mga hawak silang key fob or yung suot nila yung key fob. So, ganito yung posing. But anyways, ayun, same. Let's try, schedule natin to. I-download din natin. And then, ayan, same lang naman. Thursday, click anywhere. Tapos, schedule for 6 p.m. Attach yung photo. Tapos, of course, again, caption. So much better if, of course, makakapag-create tayo ng mas engaging na caption. Pero for example lang naman to. So, yan. Hayaan na natin iba-ibang ano yung nagagamit ko. So, yan. Attach lang natin uli yung ating contact information and link and hashtags. So, yan. Boni naman this time. So, again, make sure yung schedule, 6 p.m. Thursday, nakashare sa story and public and schedule. So, yan. Meron na tayong Monday. Yung Tuesday natin, assume na we have a group class schedule video here. Tapos, yun nga, Wednesday, yung ating member transformation. Yung Thursday, yung ating Be a Purple Warrior. So, for Friday, yung ating member statement, take candid shots of our members doing their routine, or you may also do a stage shot, but candid shots show sincere passion and authenticity. Always ask for their consent. So, yun, di naman din ideal na pag may nakikita tayong, although, yun nga, candid shots ay mas maganda, pero hindi naman din ideal na pag may nakita tayong nagwo-workout, ay basta na lang natin silang pipicturean. So, again, consent pa din. Tapos, yun, again, this is another post na pwedeng gawin sa digital stacks, but for convenience na lang, meron din tayong sa Canva. So, ito, again, same link lang din siya nung ginagamit natin sa Be a Purple Warrior and Member Transformation. So, ito naman is ganito yung editing niya. Ayan. Mag-upload tayo ng image sa Canva and then use that image to replace the background and then set the background's photo transparency to 70 to 75 para lang ma-darken yung photo and then ma-emphasize natin yung ilalagay nating text. So make sure that the page background is black so it will give off the same dark overlay as the digital stacks template and input your chosen quote. So in all uppercase. So yan, parang ito. So ito yung example. So yan, black yung pinaka-background niya. And then ito yung, for example, ito yung na-attach nating image. So, i-replace background and then i-position lang natin siya ng maayos. Tapos, yun nga, yung transparency is to 70 or 75. And medyo may dark overlay siya. Tapos, ito yung, tawag dito, quote natin. So, regarding sa quote, much better din siguro if pipili tayo or maghahanap tayo, gagamit tayo ng quote na may relevance or related doon sa ating tawag dito sa ating pinaka-actual photo. So, for example lang naman to, so this will do, nothing will work unless you do. So, ayan. Again, download lang natin. So, yan yung mga actual coach and members ng mga clubs. So, same process. Click anywhere sa Monday. And then, schedule for 6 p.m. And then, attach natin yung photo. Tapos, yan. Pwedeng ito na din yung i-caption natin. Nothing will work unless you do. So, yan. Again, attach ko lang yung ating contact information, link, and hashtags. So, yan. Double check for Friday, 6 p.m., share to story, public, and schedule. So, yan. Ito na yung schedule natin for the week, for next week.